Hi all, welcome to Ammi Samayal's recipe videos. Today I will be showing you all how to make Pirandai Thogayal, that is adamant creeper chutney in Ammi Kallu. For this I will be using about 250 grams of Pirandai, Ammi Samayal's wood pressed groundnut oil, Ammi Samayal's country coriander seeds, 4 to 6 garlic cloves, some red dried chilies, 3 to 4 shallots or small onions. I'm using 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, salt to taste and Ammi Samayal's old tamarind. While working with adamant creeper, our fingers and palm might tend to turn reddish and also cause kind of unpleasant itchy sensation. So to avoid this, what we have to do is we have to remove the sides of the creeper. So this is how I am removing the sides of the adamant creeper using a knife. Make sure you oil your fingers and palm with some oil. I have dabbed my fingers and palms with some Ammi Samayal groundnut oil, and this is how the sides of the pirandai is removed. If the sides are not removed, it can also cause itchiness in your tongue when you eat. I am going to use about 2 tablespoons of Ammi Samayal's wood pressed groundnut oil. Now this is totally free from all the chemicals and preservatives. I am next going to add 2 tablespoons of urad dal and 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Going to give it a mix. Next, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of Ammi Samayal's country coriander seeds. It is also called as miracle seeds that are used to cure diabetes, cholesterol and has many health benefits. Next, I am adding some 6 to 7 red dried chilies. I have used both Guntur and Byadagi chilies. Next, I am adding shallots and garlic, and I am going to give it all a good mix. Now adding Guntur chili gives that right amount of spice and Byadagi chili gives that amazing red color. Followed by salt to taste. I am using rock salt and Ammi Samayal's old tamarind. Finally, I am going to add the peeled and chopped pirandai creeper. Now the pirandai has to cook really well for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. You can see how beautifully the color has changed. Now this indicates that the pirandai has cooked really well. I am going to let it cool down completely and then move on to the next step, that is grinding them in my Ammi Kallu. This particular chutney has some amazing health benefits, mainly because of the pirandai creeper. It is a power-packed plant that helps in promoting bone health and also in relieving joint pains. Not only that, it is highly beneficial in treating all sorts of stomach disorders like gastritis, piles, indigestion, etc. Consuming pirandai at least once in a week will keep all your knee pain and joint pains at bay. What can I say about grinding any kind of thogayal or masala paste in the traditional grinding stone Ammi Kallu? This is something that has been followed from ages and it is still widely used by many people. There is no doubt that grinding any kind of masala using Ammi Kallu will give that extra taste and enhances the flavor of all the spices used. I added little water here to make sure that all the spices blend well with the pirandai. That beautiful red color is because of the Byadagi chilli used. Now if you want the togel to be green in color, all you have to do is replace dried red chilies with green chilies. Now this is almost done. This is how it looks. I have ground it coarsely. That is how I like it. If you want, you can go further and grind it to a fine paste, but this is how I like to eat. It is almost done and now it's time to clean. Spicy, tangy, loaded with all the health benefits, Pirandai Thogayal in Ammikallu is ready to be served. Now there are many ways to eat this. The best one is to eat with some hot rice and ghee. Today I am going to try something different. I am going to eat this Pirandai Thogayal with some freshly cooked tapioca. To buy Ammi Samayals products, all you have to do is log on to www.ammisamayal.com and enjoy shopping. Do not forget to download our mobile app on Play Store. Finally, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.